Okay, this is question 18 from 2.3. It's asking if f of x is equal to x outside of 3x minus 4 to the half, find f double dash of 2. Let's find the first derivative by using the product rule. So it's u dv, so to x times, bring the half down, put down what's in the brackets, half minus 1, minus a half, times what, differentiate what's inside, so that's u dv, plus v du. If you differentiate u, you get 1, so just write v. Okay, so we clean this up and you get 3 on 2x outside of 3x minus 4 to the minus a half plus 3x minus 4 to the half. Okay, now we're going to find the second derivative, and let's f double dash x. Okay, so we're going to use the product rule again on this term and the function rule on this term. Okay, so u dv. So u is 3x on 2, differentiate v. Okay, bring down the minus a half. 3x minus 4. Minus a half minus 1 is minus 3 on 2. Times, differentiate what's inside, times 3. Okay, plus v du. Now if you differentiate u, you get 3 on 2. And just write down v. And then differentiate this term. So let's see if I can squeeze that in over here. So you bring down the half. Write down what's in brackets. And take away 1 on the power. And differentiate what's inside. Okay, now we've cleaned it all up. So you get minus 3 times 3 times minus 1 is minus 9 on 4. Okay, and then it's just what's there, 3x minus 4 to the minus 3 on 2. And then when you clean up, this one stays as it is, so plus 3 on 2 bracket 3x minus 4 to the minus a half. And this becomes plus 3 on 2 times 3x minus 4 to the minus a half again. So we have two like terms. All right, this one stays as it is, so write that down again. And then we have 3 on 2 plus 3 on 2 of the same term. All right, becomes 6 on 2, which is 3. So we write plus 3 outside of 3x minus 4 to the minus a half. Okay, so that's what f double dash x is. We're going to find f double dash of 2 by substituting 2. By the way, I think I've forgot an x here. That x has to come down. Okay, and I don't think I've forgotten anything else. All right, so f double dash 2 means we substitute 2 into every x that we see. So minus 9 times 2, which is minus 18 on 4. And then 3 times 2 is, I'll just push that up, you can see that. Okay, so there's f double dash of 2. All right, and we're going to substitute x equals 2 everywhere we see an x. So minus 9 times 2 is minus 18. I put minus 18 on 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 to the power minus 3 on 2. Plus 3. Same thing happens here, becomes 2, and then to the power minus a half. Okay, so that becomes minus 9 on 2, okay, times 1 over 2 to the 3 on 2. All right, that's what that term becomes. And then this one is 3 over root 2, because 2 to the minus a half is root 2 on the bottom. Okay, keep going. So we got minus 9 on 2 times 1 over 2 to the 3 on 2. That'll be 1 over 2 root 2, because that's a square root of 2 to the power 3. okay, which becomes the square root of 8. So square root of 8, simplifies to 2 root 2, plus 3 on root 2, and then that becomes minus 9 on 4 root 2, minus 9 times 1, 2 times 2, okay, plus 3 on root 2, and that becomes minus 9 on 4 root 2, which is just that. And if we want to change that to 4 root 2, so we have a common denominator, multiply the top by 4, so you've got plus 12 on 4 root 2. So minus 9 plus 12 is 3, and that's all over 4 root 2. Rationalise your denominator, and you get times that by root 2 over root 2, times that by root 2, and you've got 3 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 is 2, 2 fours are 8. 3 root 2 on 8 is the answer.